Yeah, and the big body, that is the female, the small body, that is the male. And after they do 8 hour mating, they are bred by themselves.
Okay.
Yeah, they are bred by themselves. But unfortunately, the male, he's died. Too long, exhausted. Yeah. That means, like about 6 hours later, the female, they start laying their egg. Yeah, I'll show you that. Yeah, that is the female. They start laying their egg.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
but the
so
first,
nice.
but as another 6 hours, that means still the yellow color like that. And one female can be about 200 of age.
Right.
Yeah, but after they are finished laying the egg, they are die. Yeah, short life. Yeah, and like they're gonna change in the second day, it will be a white color and a gray color. Since the gray color, the egg became to gray color, that means they came the heck out from the egg. Yeah, to be the larva, the little one. Yeah, we call larva. And that time the lady here had to well understand and to pick up the mulberry leaf. Yeah, the mulberry leaf and slide boil little, spread it to give them an egg. Yeah, for 5 or 6 times a day. 5 or 6 times a day to give them an egg. Then they keep eating, start bigger. Yeah, and day to day, they are changing the body from the larva to the soil. See, that is about, that is about 4 days already. They get that soil. See, yeah, and the mousse bigger like that one. See, then since between 4 weeks to 5 weeks, that means they start changing the body. The color, that means the changing the body, the color like to be the yellow color like that. See, and the whole body to be a yellow color, and that time that means they stop eating.
Right.
But naturally, it was finding a tree for making a cocoon. Yeah, but the process is those the worm or caterpillar, they're finding a tree for making a cocoon. That means the lady working here, they don't have a job. Because they have to taking care of all of those. Yeah, they have to pick up those like this one. That you see, they don't need to eat anything. See, they're gonna work out. Yeah, to finding a tree for making a cocoon. Then the lady gonna pick those, put on the branch of the tree like that. Yeah, to making a cocoon. Yeah, and then they're gonna go up and down for 2 days. They can making a cocoon. Yeah, and after that, the one that go inside, then they wrap it closed by themselves. And that means the one after they spread out a lot of strength, that means they became to the little one. It's not bigger, longer like that. It's about half body. Yeah, and then they wrap it closed. And I will show you another one with the butterfly inside. Yeah. Yeah, you can check it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I have a butterfly inside. So that one that became the butterfly then. If you keep about 10 days, it will cutting a hole like that. Yeah, then they get out by themselves. Yeah, that is. And also, but we don't need the one with the butterfly inside. It's not good quality. Yeah, that is the reason. The lady, they have to well understand when the cocoon issue. Then we're gonna kill them by drying under the sun. We have collect that and kill the butterfly drying under the sun, like right there. You have a look right there. Then the way they kill the butterfly inside, then they can be keep it longer. Yeah.
Where do you get new butterfly from? Where do you get new ones from? If you kill them.
That means we keep about 20% of that for
okay.
keep on the bridge. a gentleman. I'm going to tell her. Video. This is natural color. It's got a yellow one. Charlie.
So that's
Yeah, those are silk.
that's the raw silk.
Yes, yeah, those are the raw silk. And you can feel another one right there. The second one.
This one.
Next one.